once again we're working with Dr. Rachel here, so we're going to be doing some cupping on her upper back and lower back to relieve tightness. So cupping is a traditional Chinese medicine technique to help stimulate blood flow. So part of the treatment is that you do get some bruising, so you'll see some redness form from the cups, and that's just as the cups are pulling blood to the surface, you will experience a little bit of bruising, but it's not painful at all. It's actually very relaxing, similar to a deep tissue massage. So we're just going to apply a little bit of oil to the back first. So this is a Chinese medicated oil to help bring the blood flow to the surface and relax the muscles before we place the cups. It can also assist in a method called sliding cupping, where you place the cups and then you slide them along the back. Right. So first we just soak a cotton ball in a little bit of alcohol, and then we light this on fire. So the fire helps to remove the oxygen from the cup, which creates the suction to the skin. So we're going to start on the upper back. So you can see the skin just kind of sucks up into the cup, as well as the muscle. Do a couple on the lower back. So then if we wanted to, we could do the sliding cupping from here. So you can just leave the cups stationary and do them all along the back, or you can slide the cups using that oil that we placed earlier. So you just slide the cups along the back, and you can see there's a little bit of redness that forms from that. So that's what we want to see. That's the blood coming to the surface. So we just slide the cups all down the paraspinals of the back. And this should feel really relaxing. It's kind of like a deep tissue massage. So since she's not turning very red in the upper back, most of the tension is probably in the lower back, where the purple is starting to show on these lower cups. So we'll just let these sit for a few minutes. We'll place a heat lamp over that and let her relax for about 5 minutes before we take them off. And after we take them off, you'll be able to see some red marks where the cups were sitting as well. So the glass cups are more of a traditional style of Chinese cupping. So we do have another method called suction cupping, where we use plastic cups and just use a suction gun to get them to stick. So we'll do a few of these in the upper back. So with this mode of cupping, you can get a little bit more control and a little tighter suction as well. So we'll just use these along the traps. You can see those ones are turning a little bit darker since they're a little bit stronger suction than the glass cups. So we'll let those sit for a few minutes as well. So this is the heat lamp. So the heat lamp is also part of the therapy to help relax the muscles, relieve any inflammation and tension as well. So as you can see, the cups in the upper back are turning a little bit darker now since we have a stronger section in that area. So the ones in the mid back are fresh, so those will take a little bit longer to show some coloring. And in the low back, you can see a little bit of redness starting to form as well. So the areas where her body is showing some darkness are areas in the body where she's probably holding more tension. So when there's more tension in the body, it will pull more blood in that area as well to the surface. And so that'll cause more bruising, more of a reaction too, but that's where she'll notice the most relief from the cupping, as well as in those areas where it turns really dark. So the bruises that form typically are gone within 3 to 5 days after the treatment. They shouldn't be painful to the touch. And you just have to keep your upper back nice and covered. It does open up the pores, so we do send patients home with instructions on aftercare for after getting cupping done as well. So you need to make sure that you stay hydrated. It's very detoxifying on the body as well. So now that the treatment is done, we will remove the cups. So we'll start at the lower back here. So a little bit of redness, and the marks will get a little bit darker throughout the day. So right now they may just be a little bit red. Later on, I would say within the next hour, she might notice a little bit of bruising. And you can see that it does open up the pores in the back as well, so that's why it's important to keep the upper back covered so that you don't get sick. All right, and then at the end of the treatment, we would apply a little bit of massage oil, which we can definitely do, and just do a little bit of light massage to help with blood circulation. So I use an essential oil-based and arnica massage cream. So the arnica is a Native American plant that helps with to eliminate bruising. It helps with pain and muscle tension as well. All right, and she is all set. That's cupping.